What is going on, guys? Nick here, bringing you guys a brand new Genesis mining video. Today we're going to take a look at Ethereum mining contracts and Monero mining contracts on Genesis mining and seeing the differences between them and which is more profitable, which implies the best return on investment, and as well as mining difficulty. Okay, so right now I have 18 mega hashes of Ethereum mining and I have 77 hashes of Monero. So I'm obviously more satisfied with my Ethereum just because I'm earning more per day because I have way more power. So the earnings for them have been great, and that's relatively because of the price for both of them absolutely exploding. And right now Genesis mining, these are the only two contracts available and they are flying off the shelf. A lot of people have been buying both of these contracts because they are very similar in return on investment. So today we're going to be taking a look at that. So let's say you have $2,000 to invest, which is a pretty good amount, as your first initial investment, definitely for more of the serious investors. So for about $2,300, this would actually drop down to about $2,250 if you use my discount code. It would take about more than $60 off, so about $2,250 for 80 mega hash. So let's put that into our Ethereum mining calculator. 80 mega hash at about $2,250, no maintenance fees at the current difficulty. Let's say calculate. Now I'm gonna be probably surprised by this return on investment here because I haven't looked at the Ether return on. Oh wow, so days to break even, 151 days to break even from a Ethereum mining contract. I think this might be better than the Dash X11 contracts. 30, 60, 90, 120, 150. That's a return on investment of 5 months for a Ethereum mining contract, and this is 2 years with no maintenance fees. And if you think the prices of Ethereum is going to keep rising as fast as it has been, this is a great contract buy. You could argue that the difficulty goes up pretty fast, which it does, but if the price keeps going up, and even if it doesn't keep up with the difficulty as much, this contract is still extremely profitable and you're going to make some good return on investment from this. That's crazy, 5 months for that. So definitely a great contract buy. Now let's compare it to Monero. So Monero, you get about 2,700 hashes for about, let's say $2,150. So how much was it again? 2,700. Okay, I already have that entered. Cost you about, what did I say? 2,150. Okay, so about 2,150, a little bit cheaper than Ethereum. So 2,150. Let's hit calculate. Okay, and this gives you a return on investment of 159 days. So just slightly longer by about 1 week than Ethereum. You're earning $13 per day, $100 a week, $400 a month, and about $5K per year. So they are both very similar contracts, and the Monero difficulty actually goes up. Here's the all-time chart for the last few months. It goes up a lot slower than Ethereum. As you can see, it's a lot more stable. I expect this to spike a little bit more now that the price of Monero here has spiked to $53 and it's a very low supply coin. So I think the difficulty will go up here a little bit, but the fact that this difficulty hasn't changed much, that's a huge factor to consider, guys, because difficulty is the biggest role in mining. It really is. So what contract would I personally upgrade? Now, it really comes down to personal preference. Like I said, they are very similar return on investment, about 5 months each for both of them, which is about the same as Dash back when it was in stock. So definitely great contract buys right now. They're going to sell out very soon. I expect within a week they're probably going to be sold out. So definitely get them while they're hot and get them before they're sold out, as much power as you want. So what I would personally do is since the Monero difficulty doesn't go up as fast, it definitely probably is the better buy, but that's probably for the more bigger investor. Now if you're kind of a lot smaller, I'd probably go with the ETH contract. So that's my personal opinion. I'll definitely be doing a lot of upgrades here soon. Appreciate everyone using my code for Genesis mining upgrades. You guys have been absolutely showing me crazy support to the point where so many people are giving me their codes. I try my best to use everyone's, and it's been pretty difficult recently. So really do appreciate you guys showing me support with that with my code. So if you guys want to get 3% off, codes in the description down below. Get these contracts while they're hot. They're gonna be gone fast. They really are. So that's all I got for you guys today. Have a good one. Peace out.